5 fascinating facts about human psychology. The human brain is an interesting and powerful organ, but understanding why it does what it does is a process that we are still studying. Both the conscious and subconscious mind have a significant influence on our behavior, but most us have only a minimal understanding of how they work. What follow are 5 interesting facts about human. We blame a person's behavior on the personality unless it's us. Has someone ever cut you off at a roundabout or intersection and made you really mad only for you to go on to the exact same thing to someone else just 10 minutes later? Although the person that cut you off infuriated you, you are likely to have just fed your own action to yourself because you are in a hurry, and it's just this once. We tend to attribute our bad behavior to external forces and other people's bad behavior to their internal attributes. We do not predict our reaction to future events very well. We often think that we are going to react to a future event in a certain way only for the event to actually take place and us to find that we reacted completely differently to how we predicted. We place hope in the ability of a single occurrence to be able to change everything, but we often find that it does not do much to change how we feel at all. Our strongest memories are usually inaccurate. We feel like memories of traumatic events burn themselves into our minds to remain there forever. This is known as flashbulb memory. Studies have shown that the stronger the emotional state you were in during that event, the more the memory is inaccurate. Take this test to find out more about your memory. We can only sustain a high level of concentration for 10 minutes. Do you think you can concentrate on a task for more than 10 minutes? Studies it otherwise. On average, a person's attention span peaks after 10 minutes. Then the mind begins to wander. Our brain wander for about 30 percentage of the day. On average, we spend about 30 percentage of our day daydreaming. How some people do it more. The upside of this is that research point out the people who tend to daydream more are better at solving problems and tend to be more creative.